Hello guys! Welcome back to my channel, Simply CM, and alam ko na matagal na akong hindi nakapag-upload ng video kasi naging busy ako guys. I work kasi in a clothing shop at alam nyo na pag December, sobrang busy sa shop, so marami kaming parang overtime work. So yun, pagdating sa bahay, pagod na, and at the same time, last week ata, nagbakasyon pala ako ng mga 3 days. 4 days? 3 days? Mga 4 days. Pero, hindi din ako nag-video kasi yung ginawa ko, nag-aral lang talaga ako because I had to take this exam that will help me out next year para makapag-apply ako ng, ano bang tawag niya, ng permanent residence. Kasi sa ngayon guys, ano lang muna ako, parang temporary residence permit. So, every 3 years ata ako nagre-renew. So, I can continue to live here in Denmark. So, next year, magi 8 years na ako dito sa Denmark. That means I am qualified already to apply for the permanent residence. At saka one of the requirements is to take that exam. And good news, napasa ko. And guys, I'm so happy kasi kaya nga ako nag-leave ng 4 days kasi I really wanted na mapasa ko siya para next level na naman, para tapos na tong stage na to, so I will feel safe talaga na dito na talaga ako sa Denmark. But obviously, magbabakasyon din kami ng Pilipinas. But, so yun. So, nag-study ako. Isa siyang parang makapal na review na binabasa talaga about history of Denmark, politics, mga ganyan, mga rules, family, everything about Denmark. So, ano lang siya, 25 questions lang siya, guys. At kung iisipin mo, 25 question lang, at saka multiple choices, madali lang sana pag nabasa mo talaga yung libro, at saka yung mga some of the questions kasi you have to remember dates. Mahina ako sa dates guys, yung mga numbers na kailangan i-remember, but thanks God napasa ko siya and I'm so happy. At ngayon nga mag-Christmas na, parang diba? Parang napakagandang gift siya para sa akin, for me. Tapos next year, ang daming ganap masyado kasi next year uuwi kami ng Pinas, mga 1 month ata. Tapos after doon, balik dito sa Denmark, and then mag-a-apply na ako ng permanent residence ko. And then, that takes a lot of waiting kasi yung mag-apply ka, you have to wait minimum ata 8 months bago yung result. But then, I'm taking it as it is. But at least now, napasa na yung exam. Tapos, next goal na naman. So, yun. At saka, nag-order pala ako nung Black Friday. Hindi talaga ako nakapag-shopping kasi wala din naman ganyan. Pero, nasa work ako at saka overtime kami nun. So, what I did, when I got home, nag-order ako ng sapatos online. So, si Martin, inorderan ko siya ng 2 shoes, tapos isa sa akin. At saka dumating na pala. At yung asawa ko, inopen ba naman niya ng siya lang kasi nga nandun pa ako sa work at nag-video siya ng sarili niya. So anyway, attach ko rin niya yung unboxing ng sapatos after this video. At saka medyo tahimik ngayon kasi si Martin nasa labas kumukuha ng food. Nag-order na lang kasi wala na talagang time to make food. Tapos tomorrow, work na naman ako. Then after that, I'm gonna be attending a party. Oh, andito na siya. Rinig nyo na yan. So, I'm gonna be attending a party tomorrow, company party, pero hindi sa company namin, company ng friend niya. Tapos, invited lang kami. So, we're gonna be playing bowling, and then we're gonna eat. So, yun yung ganap tomorrow. So, yun. So, i-attach ko yung guys, yung video ni Martin dito mamaya. So, yun yung ganap-ganap sa akin. At saka yung suot ko pala ay yellow na yellow ako Yellow na yellow. Ano siya? Sa H&M siya. Binili ko nung sale. So, yun. At saka yung mukhang haggard kasi I just got home. Na dito na tayo sa bahay. Magpapaganda pa ba? Diba? And then, Martin's gonna eat his food. And then, I think we're just gonna call it early night kasi I have to wake up early tomorrow again. So, yun. Thank you so much for watching, guys. And have a very good evening.
Hello and welcome to CM's channel. What happened today is a box arrived. My wife is not home and I will open it without her knowing it, because then she will be aggressive and angry. That's what she's gonna be. So I will open it. I know it's not presents. I already know that. I will not go there. Christmas is coming, but it's not present. This is probably some crap she bought for herself. Because all the presents you bought, all that in control. But I will open and see what she bought. So, one second and we go for it. This is a box. From Zalando. This is a package from Zalando. So let's open it. This one, we don't want that. We don't want to know what it is. Go away. Oh, it's shoes. Oh my, maybe it is presents. Maybe I will be in trouble later. But if I'm in trouble later, let's be honest, it's not the first time I will be in trouble. I expected this was dress. It was really not that heavy. Oh my god, I think it is presents. I think this could be for me. This is... okay. She bought me a shoe. A nice shoe. My wife has been nice to me for once. Unexpectedly. And I like it. My god, maybe I have to tape it up again. Okay. And this one will also a shoe. It's a sports shoe because I'm a sporty person. I'm so sporty. I'm very sporty. And what is this? Last one. That was nice also. Nice shoes. This is, and I think it's my size, so it must be for me. It could be a Christmas present, but I don't know. Absolutely not for me. A white shoe. She will never buy that for me. And that's a good thing, because it's not my size. And if I had a white shoe, it would be dirty within a minute. Because I'm a man and I'm roam around. This is a weird nice shoe. But that's for my wife. I hope. It look very big. But then again, that's it. I think I have to repack it to avoid trouble. Or maybe not. We see. That's it for now. Take care. Do what you used to do. Blah, blah, blah. Rock on. Thank you so much for watching the video. We really like, subscribe, thumbs up, thumbs down. Make a comment on the below pillow or something. Do something with your life. Have a nice day. And remember, rock on, bitches.